In this video, you'll learn how to schedule appointments and jobs in Skedit quickly and efficiently. We'll cover the auto scheduler, scheduling from quotes and invoices, and linking multiple appointments together, everything you need to keep your workflow running smoothly. For more information and additional tutorials, check out the linked videos below. Let's get started. There are multiple ways to schedule an appointment in Skedit. For the first way, start in Schedule. Then in the mini calendar, select the date for the appointment. Then choose which resource you would like to schedule the appointment on and click and drag to create a time slot. Then right-click and select New Appointment. Note that you can change the start time, duration, and assigned resource while entering the appointment information. First, you will enter your customer's name. If the appointment should be billed to a general contractor or builder, you can enter their information here. If the job should be billed directly to the customer, click the arrow to autofill the billing customer info. The job name will auto-populate as a number. If you want to rename it, you can do so here. The job status will autofill to new, but as your technicians work on and complete jobs, that status will update. And if you ever need to postpone or close a job, you can change that status here. Then you can choose the job type from the drop-down list. To learn more on how to set up job types and appointment types, view the video linked below. If you have any job instructions, add those here. Then scroll down and choose your appointment type from the drop-down list. Here you can see the different appointment statuses. These will change as your technicians are working the job. You can create and customize these statuses. To learn more, view the video linked below. Under Resources, you can assign the appointment to a different truck or resource. Here you can see the appointment date and start time. If you need to change that, you can edit it here. This area shows the duration time of the appointment and travel. If you have assigned a default duration to the appointment type, that duration will automatically be applied. If you have not assigned a default duration, then the amount of time you made on the schedule when creating the appointment will be applied. If you want to change the duration of the appointment, you can do that here. The appointment instructions and technician notes can be preset in your appointment settings. If you have that preset, those will automatically appear. If not, you can enter them here. On the app, the technician has the option to write notes that will be sent to the customer through email or text. Those notes will appear here in the Customer Notes section. The checklist feature requires technicians to click through the checklist before being able to close the appointment. You can create preset checklists in your appointment settings or create it here by clicking Checklist and adding your questions for the technicians. If an appointment needs to be done over multiple days, you can schedule each of those by clicking Multi-Day Appointments. Then select each of the appointment dates. Click Save. Now that you have entered all the appointment information, click Save. If your technicians cannot finish an appointment and you need to schedule time to go back, you can create additional appointments linked to that appointment. To do that, first, click into the existing appointment. Keep in mind that additional appointments scheduled this way will be linked to the first job and on the same invoice. If you want them as separate jobs, create a new appointment like before. Now that you are in the customer's appointment, to schedule another appointment, click Auto Schedule. Now select the appointment type. The auto scheduler will now show you what dates are available to schedule the appointment. If you do not have any openings, the date will be grayed out. Keep in mind that if you have any resources set up as auto schedule exempt, even if they have availability, they will not show up on the auto scheduler. Once you choose the date, the available resources and times will show on the side and you can select the time and resource for the appointment. Then click Save. If you do not want to use the auto scheduler, for example, if you need to add it to an auto-scheduled exempt truck or adding it after hours, click Add Appointment. Then you can continue scheduling like before. And click Save. Another way to schedule appointments is to, first, click Customers. Search for a customer by either typing their first or last name, address, or phone number. All of the upcoming appointments scheduled for that customer will show under the customer's name. Click the eye icon next to the next appointment to view the appointment on the schedule. Click the pencil icon to edit the appointment. To add an appointment that will be linked with the existing job and other appointments, click Add Appointment. To create a new job, not attached to any existing appointments or invoice, click Add Job. That will then open the auto scheduler where you can schedule a job like before. You can also schedule jobs through invoices or quotes. To do that, click Accounting. Click Quote. Select a quote from the list or search for one in the search bar. The quote will open on the right-hand side. Then click the calendar icon. That will open up the auto scheduler where you can now schedule a job that will be attached to that quote. You can do the same thing for invoices by clicking Invoices, then following the same steps. That brings us to the end of this tutorial on scheduling appointments and jobs in Skedit. We covered how to use the auto scheduler, create schedules from quotes and invoices, and link multiple appointments together to keep everything running smoothly. For more tips, features, and step-by-step tutorials, be sure to check out the linked videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.